Hello,
Hi everyone, how are you?
fine.
I'm Ayushi, and what I want you to do right now is I want you all to go to thunkable.com. I will paste the link in the text box, and then I want you all to go to sign up and create your accounts on thunkable.com. You can use your parents' help for that. We will do this so that we are ready when we start. Okay, we have a question. Uh, all you have to do right now is just open the link that I've shared in the chat and just create an ID over there. I will share the link for this website again. You can directly click on this link, click on sign up and do it. Yes, Kanan, you have a question?
Ma'am, I have done it.
You have done it? Okay, that's fine. We'll just wait for 6 p.m. and then we'll begin. Yes, Tashi Patil. What's up? You have a question?
Yes, I have a. It is showing the critical error occurred.
Okay.
I log
You
in with
can,
an account, means I have signed up, and after that it's showing that a critical error arrived.
okay. Why don't you just refresh? Click on Control R D, and I think that will go away.
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am, I had already made an account on Thunkable before the meeting
that's okay.
because it was written in the instructions to make an account.
That's perfectly fine. That's ideal behavior. We'll just wait for everybody else to make it, okay? Even I have made it before the workshop. Just reminding everyone to open thunkable.com. I will share the link in the chat again, and open thunkable.com and create an account. Okay, everybody, just make an account on thunkable.com and we will begin in 1 minute. Okay, everyone. So let's begin. What I'm going to do now is we're going to play a game. Okay. Now, to play that game, I want everybody to come on this link. Okay. We're going to play a game together. And to play that game, we'll get to know each other. Now, you all already know me. I'm Ayushi, and I'm going to be teaching you Thunkable today. But I do not know any of you. So I want to get to know you a little bit. And for that, we'll play a small game. So I have a bit of ideas about you. Now, I want you all to go on this link. Okay. And you can see a cat kind of a thing drawn on the screen. I want you all to press it as soon as you're on the screen. And whoever has just entered, I'm going to remind everybody again for that. I'm sharing a link in the chat. I want everybody to enter that link and click the like so I know how many people have entered. A few more people just entered, so we'll share the link again. Hi, everybody who has just entered. I want you all to go on the link that I've just shared in the chat and we play a quick game, a quick 5-minute game so I can get to know you all. Enter that link and click on like. Okay, I only see 46 people here and we have about 78 people. So everybody quickly enter that link. Okay, can I get more people? Okay. Cool, we have 60 people here. I want everybody to join. We have 80 people, so about 20 people are still missing from this link. Can everybody quickly join? And I'm going to start now. Cool. So let's get to know each other. Okay, I'm getting some interesting answers. So for whoever has just joined, we're playing a game right now. And if you like, you can join here with us. Okay, now let's look at everybody's answers. We have some interesting answers here. Okay, I see a lot of Thor. I see a lot of Captain America. A lot of people like Spider-Man. Even I like all of them. Wow. Stephen Hawking. Oh, I did not know that he was a Superman, a superhero. Wow. Awesome. Cool. Now we will move on to the next question. Okay. And let's move. Okay, I'm going to start this. You only have 15 seconds to answer. Quickly answer. Okay, we have about 22 correct answers. It was 8 feet tall. Awesome, guys. It seems like a lot of people know their thing. Nice. Cool. We'll move on to the next question. So Soumya won, I think. No. Yeah. Soumya is winning. Let's see if she wins. And this is the last question from my side. Also, everybody wants to learn something cool, I can see. Nobody is just like, I just want to try. That's pretty cool. Okay, guys. Cool. Thank you so much for participating in this game. I really loved your participation. What we're going to do now is we're going to understand why we even want to learn Thunkable. Okay? I'm going to quickly share my screen and we will talk about it for a second. Okay. So, what is coding? Coding is when we talk to computer. Like for example, I am talking to you. You are human beings, I believe. Everybody is. So you can understand me, but the computers cannot understand us, right? So the language where we speak to computers, it's known as coding. But what is Thunkable? Thunkable is a platform which makes it easier for us to speak with computers. Okay? And we're going to learn how to use Thunkable today. Okay? Hopefully everybody has created their accounts on Thunkable. Can I get a thumbs up if everybody has? Can I get a thumbs up from everyone who has? Okay. Okay, awesome. I'm still going to show you. What I want you to do is go to thunkable.com, and what you want to do is click on sign up and then enter your email ID here. After you do that, you will be able to sign up. I'm going to show you how to do that again. When you go to thunkable.com like this, it will take you here. You will have to click on sign up here. Everybody click on that. Okay, awesome. I'm going to assume we're all together. Now, when you click on that, it will take you to a place like this. Okay. In that, I want you, if anybody is by the way missing or is behind a little, you can open that sheet that we have sent. So you will, understand what we are doing here. Okay. Awesome. So then you will click on create new app. We can click on it together. Let's name our project Zombie Click. Okay. We don't need to name any category. Okay. It's just a fun app. Then we will click on create. Okay. Awesome. Now it's loading. Okay. So if anybody has ever worked on App Inventor, they will understand Thunkable pretty easily. If anybody hasn't, need not worry. It's still pretty easy to understand. That's the beauty, right? Okay. So here, okay, a few things. What is this? This is a viewer screen. This is like a phone screen, but it doesn't do anything. You can only see how your things will look like in a phone. Okay, it doesn't work. This is where anything on the viewer will be able to be edited. Okay, like properties on the viewer can be edited here. This is where you will add properties or components on the viewer. Okay, this is called viewer, the phone that we are seeing. So let's put a button. We want a zombie to be clicked. Okay, now I'm going to put a button here. Okay, everybody, in this left side, click on a button and drag it in the screen like this. Okay. Everybody, I will wait for 2 seconds so you can all do the same thing. Put a button in the screen. Okay. After you are done with that, we are going to go here in the right side and we are going to rename this button to zombie. ZOMBI. Okay. We're done. We're done with this. Awesome. Can I see some hands over here if you are done? Can I see some thumbs up? Okay. Awesome, guys. Thank you. Okay. After that, what we are going to do, we are going to select a background picture. Okay. I want a zombie. Now, if you don't want a zombie, you can find any other picture at all. Anything is fine. Okay. For that, you will click on background picture here and click on upload files. Okay. Now, when you click on that, it will open up something like this. And you will have to find the file in your laptop or in your computer. Okay. I'm going to find a zombie. Okay. Now zombie has been added. Okay. Now wait a second. See, can you see a tiny little zombie there? Okay. Now we also see a lot of text here, which we want to remove. So what we do need to do for that simple thing, we need to just click on cross. Okay. Now it's the same size as the zombie, but it's way too small, right? So how to remove that? Now let's go to advanced from here. We will switch tabs. Okay. Let's go to advanced. Now in advanced, you can see a lot of options. Only need to change one thing, the sizing, right? The size of the button. Okay. We will go to the sizing. Okay. Now no need to change anything. In the width, just write 70. With this, horizontally, how much distance it will have. And height is vertically how much distance it will have. So height, let's put it as 100. Okay. Let's go back to this. Now, if you want a background color, you can have it here. If you don't want anything, you can also remove it. Okay. Now, next thing, I also want a label to help people understand what we want to do. So in that label, what we are going to do, if anybody is a little bit behind, what they can do is they can use the link that we have shared as guide and open it up. Okay. Awesome. We're going to be putting a label from the left side here in add components and putting it inside the screen again. Okay, we have a label here. Now let's add some text. Let's call it click on the zombie. Now if somebody has added a duck instead of zombie, they can right click on the duck maybe, or if it is a rabbit, click on the rabbit, whatever it is. Okay. Now whenever somebody clicks on the zombie, what should happen? What should happen? Do you want to see what should happen? Let me actually show you what should happen if the zombie is clicked. So we have some time for other people who are also working on it. So when the zombie is clicked, what I want to do is I want to change the screen color, but I want you to see how pretty it will look. So how to see how your app will look like? We click on live test, and in a second over here, the image will load. You don't even need your phone for this. You can completely just see it right here. When you click on this, the screen colors will change to random colors. This is what we want to do when you click on the zombie. Okay. So now we will go back to the app that we were creating. For whoever is facing some issues or is a little bit behind me, they can just open this up and it has everything that I'm teaching okay, with every little step written down. Okay, you can just open it up and explore this and see where you missed. Now, whenever I click on this, the screen color should change, right? So we will go to blocks from here. Top left, blocks. Okay. Here, what do we want to do? Whenever the zombie button is clicked, we want the screen color to change. So when zombie, we will go to zombie from here. When zombie dot click, what should happen? The screen color should change, right? We'll go to screen one, and the background color of the screen should change to something random. Okay. How do we get a random color? Can you go to colors and find random color here? We will go and put that. Okay. Now, what will this do? This will set some random colors to the screen. Now, let's see if our app even works. Okay. We'll go to live test. And can you see the zombie and the text is also here? We'll click on zombie and see some random colors appear. So yay, we completed the app. What we'll do, we'll wait for 2 minutes for you all to complete it. And then we're going to move on. Till then, for everybody who is done, what I want you to do is I want you all to fill this feedback form for me. I'm going to share this form in the text box. Okay. Arham, do you have any questions?
Ma'am, I can't understand from where I should take the character.
Can you open that file that I have just shared? In that, everything is written, okay?
Yes.
Now, everybody who is done, I want you to invite your parents so that we can have a little Q&A. If you have any questions, I'm going to answer now, okay? And also, I would like you to ask their help to fill the feedback form. Everybody should fill the feedback form. This will really help us in making this better for you all, okay? This is the feedback form. Please take your parents' help in filling this, okay? Okay, I can see there are a lot of questions, so we'll go to Q&A now. Okay, Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yep, please ask your question.
Ma'am, my question is, ma'am, can I share, ma'am, first can I share a screen, ma'am, because when, ma'am, I don't have a zombie picture, ma'am. Ma'am, some pictures of me and my sister are saved in my laptop. So when I'm putting it here in the circle, which where we have written zombie, ma'am. So, ma'am, I cleared the, like when you go on symbol, and I cleared the where we have written the all the written things I have cleared. And ma'am, then when I went on advanced to make the picture big, ma'am, it's I am trying to make it big. It's becoming more smaller.
Okay, that's okay. What to do for making the image big? Let's go to advanced, and in sizing you will have to make the image big, okay? But
Yes,
if you
ma'am,
want the zombie image, by the way, I will just share the link for the zombie image with you, so everybody can have the zombie image.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, till then we will go to a next question. Okay, let's go to Mohammed. Hi, Mohammed. Do you have a question?
No, ma'am. I raised my hand. You said when you asked when you people do you know that what's it called? Yeah. Do you know MIT appdevelopment coding? So raise my
Okay,
hand.
okay, okay. Okay, so I have shared in the chat with everybody the link for the zombie image. If you like, you can click on that. Okay, next we have Rachit.
Yes, ma'am. I have worked on MIT App Inventor and and I have a channel, YouTube channel.
Oh, awesome. We would love to see that YouTube channel someday then. Okay,
And I'm not a member of Camp K12.
okay. We are excited to see you here then. Thank you for joining, Rachit. Okay. Next, we have Heel Patel. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I am a boy. This is my sister account. That's why the Hill Patel is right. Ma'am,
Okay.
I am a little behind you. So can you tell me how to do?
Yes, exactly. So I have shared this Notion file, this link with everybody. Can you just open that link?
Yeah, I
And
opened that link.
in that, everything is explained line by line, step by step. Just go through that. You will understand everything very easily, okay?
Yeah.
Even if you missed, you will always understand it. You can keep it with you, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have Dashank Doshi. I'm going to unmute you.
Yes, I have completed.
Awesome. You have completed pretty good. Can you now go to the feed?
Yes, I have filled it and I have completed the extra that.
Oh, you have? Pretty awesome. We're going to just show how to upload the images, how to upload it on the Facebook community now. Okay? Awesome. Now we have somebody else. Let's see who we have. Ayan Agarwal. Ayan, do you have a question? Okay. Then we have Arav Agarwal. Arav, do you have a question?
I was moving my hand only.
Arav, do you have a question or shall we move on? Okay. Next, we have Mohammed Farez. I'm going to unmute you.
Ma'am.
Hmm?
I also forgot to say when the other person said that he has YouTube channel. I remember that I also have one.
Okay. Awesome. Do you have any questions right now?
No, not again. And my name is actually Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Faz is my brothers.
Okay. Awesome. Cool. Next, we have Savita. Can you unmute yourself?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm safe. It's my mother's account. Ma'am, I'm not getting a zombie image.
I have just uploaded zombie image inside in the chat. Can you just you can click on that link.
Ma'am, it's just come in that Google form, that feedback form.
Okay, let me just give it to you again. Oh, right. Let me just send it to you again. This is the zombie image if anybody is concerned. Okay. Now we have Mehak Gupta.
Ma'am, how to add API, ma'am, because my brother is in AI, so I want to add chatbot.
Okay. So for chatbot, what we are going to do, we are going to learn that in the AI workshop itself. So our master teacher Vinay will teach you that, and we are inviting you for that. Okay, come to that, and he will help you out learning that. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
you're welcome. Okay, we have Bhavya now.
Ma'am, I'm completed with the course.
Awesome. We're going to just move on to uploading it then. Cool. We have Yubika now.
Ma'am, I'm not getting the advanced settings option.
It's just in the right side.
Ma'am, I'm not getting it.
Can you just reload your app just reload your screen, Control R.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, next we have Devi Shri.
Ma'am, ma'am, can you show the coding?
Can you open that file that I have shared? Inside that, everything is there, literally everything. Okay, you'll be able to access it even after this workshop ends. Okay. Next we have Moana.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
I am Tashi.
Okay, Dashi. Hi.
Ma'am, you said on the work after you shared this code link, then over here now here's a challenge, and I have done that challenge.
Okay. Sorry, Dashi. I think I've accidentally muted you. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes. I said that now here's a challenge you have written. So I've completed the challenge now. So where shall I submit it?
I'm just going to show that in 2 minutes. Okay. Just give me a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mohammed, do you have another question?
Ma'am? Ma'am, I'm coding extra, like an extra page. So when I'm click now, how to make the code for swapping the pages? Like on click of this button, make the page turn to another page, screen
Now
one.
that's your challenge, right? I want you to figure that out on your own. Take a day. You have a day to figure
I'm
that
not
out.
finding
Right?
it, but I'm having a day time.
Yes, you have a day's worth of time to figure that out.
I'm searching, but I don't find category.
Don't panic. I don't want you to panic. I want you to like calm down, go home, and explore how to do that. Okay? That's the challenge. Okay, I mean after this workshop. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Awesome. Now we have Ayan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I wanted to ask that, ma'am, how can we set a background image to the screen that is behind the zombie or the button?
So instead of, so whenever in the properties, you can see the background image part under the
Yes,
colors.
ma'am. Yes,
Over
ma'am.
there, you can upload an image. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Awesome. Now we have Rehan. Rehan, can you unmute yourself? Okay. Now we have Moana. Can you unmute yourself?
Ma'am,
Yes.
my doubt was that when I was putting label, it was not getting the option. Means when I was dragging it out, it was not showing label.
Okay. It's okay. You don't need to put the label. The label is just an extra accessory that we have put. Okay. You can just do it without the label as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. We are going to take 2 more questions now. We have Heel Patel again.
Ma'am, when I am clicking, I create a button and name it as called as zombie. So when I am clicking on zombie, it's not opening.
Okay, you can just download it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what
Awesome.
we have to choose in download?
There's a button that does this.
Huh?
there's a button which looks downwards, which is the
Yeah.
download button.
Yeah.
It's on the top right.
So it's coming option download iOS or download Android.
Okay, you can download in Android. But
Okay.
what are we talking about? Are you talking about the image?
Yeah, zombie image.
Okay, yeah, you can download it like that. But if you're talking about the app, you can download it like that only. Okay. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll move on to learning how to upload it inside the Facebook group. So you can earn points, right? That's the point, right? Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. So what to do about that? Okay, awesome. Give me one. Okay, so now everybody, I want you all to take screenshots of your beautiful application. Okay, if you have a MacBook, how to take a screenshot? Command, Shift, and 3. If you have a Windows, how to take a screenshot? Windows plus print screen. Okay. Okay, I will repeat that. Windows, if it is a Windows, it's Windows plus print screen. If it is a MacBook, it's Command, Shift, and 3. And you will take a screenshot of your app, and then you will go to this camk12.com and you will upload it there. I'm just going to show you how to do that. Okay? Yes.
I have to download an Android or iOS. So when I have to download Android, so I have to download an Android. So I click on Android.
Yeah, if you want to download, you can click on that. Okay. Awesome. Now, what we'll do, if by the way you all want to share your app with somebody, you will click on share here and this will pop up. You can click on generate a link and it will generate this link for you. You can click on copy and then you can send it to anybody you want. Okay, you can also upload this link in the Facebook when you upload it. How to upload now? We will go to the Facebook community. Okay, this is how it looks like, right? We will make a public post. Now I want to make a post. We'll click on it. Now we will upload the screenshot that we all have. Let's upload that screenshot for our app. Okay, I'm going to upload this. Inside this, we are going to write something, okay? Now, let's write. Let's write. What I want you to do is maybe if you don't understand this, you can invite your parents right now and they can help you out with this, okay? We're going to write this and then we'll click on post, okay? And whoever gets minimum threshold is 30. You have to get 30 likes. Whoever gets most likes by tomorrow will win this challenge, okay? And then I want you to click on post after this. Awesome. Okay. Again, I'm reminding you to complete the feedback form, okay? And whoever has done everything, I want you all to upload this like this. And if you are completely done with everything, then why don't you all, do something extra with it? Take some challenge up. Okay? The link for the Facebook community is in the chat. I've just shared it in the chat. Okay? Awesome. Now, okay, now we'll take a quick picture and then we'll again move on to questions, okay? So I want everybody to turn on their cameras for a second for me. Can everybody turn on their cameras and show me your smiles? And then we'll do the peace sign or however it is. Okay. We'll come back to questions. Just give me 1 second, okay? Everybody turn on your cameras. Bhavya, Tashank, Heel, can you all turn on your cameras? Okay. Everybody smile. Awesome. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, everybody. Now we'll jump to questions again. If you have any more questions, you will tell me now. Okay, we have a lot of questions.
Ma'am, can you
Yes.
hear me? Ma'am, when you posted it, the post in the Facebook, you posted it as a video, ma'am. Then how can we take a video of the screen?
You can just screen record it in your phone then.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Next, and to screen record in your phone, you will have to download the Thunkable app. Okay, it will be available in the Play Store. Awesome. Next, we have Yuvika.
Ma'am, can you show the blocks part again?
It's available in the manual that I have shared.
Okay, ma'am.
I've shared the link. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Awesome. Mohammed. Hi. Where are you? I can't see you. Okay. Yes.
For some reason, I've coded everything properly, and I know everything is proper because I code from before. And the thing is that it's the challenge part of something should, when you click something, some image should pop up too. The code is correct, but the image is not popping up. And for some reason,
then I want you to figure that out. That's the challenge, right? If I help you out with the challenge, that'll be unfair for everyone, right?
This is some website. This is the some glitch with the Thunkable, cause on my side my code is correct, 100% correct.
Okay, if your code is correct, then it should work in some time. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Awesome. Oh, okay, now we have Heel Patel.
Ma'am, how to download a zombie animated?
I have already sent the link in your chat. If you don't want that image, you can just write on Google. Okay. Next, we have Ayan.
Ma'am, can you show how to put a background image to the screen? Because in the button I can put the background, but when I try to put on the screen background, it is not coming.
You will have to go to screen and go to background for that.
Yes, ma'am.
Background picture.
Ma'am, I was doing that only, but it was not working.
Okay, it's the same thing. It will work. Maybe you need to reload the app. Okay. Okay, Jayant. I cannot hear you. I'm so sorry. I really cannot hear you, Jayant. I'm sorry. I can't hear you.
Now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I wanted to ask that which project do I have to upload in the Facebook group? Ma'am, the challenge one or the practice one?
You can do the challenge one.
Okay. And ma'am, I wanted to ask, answer the one Mohammad's answer question that how ma'am he had a difficulty in adding the code. Ma'am,
No. We will not answer the challenge questions answer.
I'm just telling that I also had a difficulty. Then I tried 2-3 times and then I was successful.
Awesome.
There must be something wrong in the code.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much for the help. Okay, we have Sai Deepak.
Ma'am, my name is Sai Deepak, ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I know what is the challenge, ma'am?
Challenge is written inside that. What I want you to do now that everybody has completed everything, and whenever a button clicks, then we have the screen change colors. The challenge is, as the screen changes the colors, I want you to pop an image as well. Maybe you can put an image over there somehow, and as the button clicks, the image should also appear.
Ma'am, instead of color, image should pop up, ma'am.
I want you to put both. It should not be a screen image. It should just be an image. Okay? And brownie points for whoever does a little bit more than this. Okay? Okay, we'll go with Tashi Patil now.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have worked out on the challenge, but I have a doubt.
Okay.
In that, whenever if we click on the button I've made, the whole screen goes of Captain America.
So
that should be like that, or I should put a solid color.
Anything you want, really. This is about your creativity. What we want to see is your creativity. How cool you think, right?
I've never
So
worked on this. That's why I just asked.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Nobody has. Everybody has their first, right?
Yes.
Awesome. Now we will go with Ruchit.
Yes, ma'am. I'm saying that. What do you mean by popping up an image?
So we will put an image in the screen. Okay, we will put an image from
Like
the
there's a
component.
solid color. So I'm saying that like when I click on my snake button, it should change to a rabbit.
Yes.
Ma'am, like you have a zombie. So when you click the zombie button,
it could
the
be
zombie should be a
anything.
rabbit. The zombie
There
should
are
be
so
a
many
rabbit.
options. Now there are so many options to do it, right? You
Ma'am,
can change the screen image.
what do you mean by popping up an image?
Yes, there are so many options for that. You can change the screen's image, or you can put an extra image, or you can do a button's image, anything you want. I want to see how you do it yourself. It should be about your creativity.
Got it.
Yes, Deepak.
Ma'am, popping up the image means if we switch on the button, the image should pop, and again if we switch on the again if we click on the button, the image should disappear, ma'am.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, we'll take 3 more questions and then we'll end this call. Okay. We have Savita.
Yeah, I got it, but I'm not getting the colors, ma'am. It's the zombie is just zooming up.
Okay, now that's the challenge for you. You have to see where you went wrong. Use my notes for that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we'll go with Satvika.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Actually, if we touch the zombie, the color should change, no, ma'am.
Yes.
From where I can take? How to see it, ma'am?
So in the live testing, in the top right, you will be able to find it.
Live test.
Yes, click on that. Next we have Pragnay. Pragnay, do you have a question? Please unmute yourself. I can't hear you, Pragnay. I'm so sorry. Okay. We have Raghavan.
Yeah. For me in the project, I can't do the part where it says we need to the coding part. I'm not able to do that.
Can you find the notes that I have shared? Inside that, everything is there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'm trying that and I can't find one of them.
Okay. I want you to closely look and you'll be able to figure it out. Okay. Now, awesome. So I'm going to end the call here. Okay. It was lovely meeting you all. Awesome. And I hope you all complete it and do fill the feedback form so we get to know what we did wrong and we can improve upon ourselves. I'm going to send the feedback form again. Ask your parents to fill it. And I want you all to go back home and you're already home. I want you to end this call and show your parents what you did today. Show them what you learned. Okay. This will be your activity number 2. Okay. And then you will show them what cool stuff you made on your own, that is. Okay. And do fill the feedback form so I know what we did wrong. I'm going to send it again. Okay, this is the Facebook community. I'm so sorry. I'm doing that again. So okay, cool. It's okay. Cool. Thank you so much, everyone. See you soon. Upload your challenges. Get 30 and 30 plus likes, and we'll see who wins. We'll meet again. Bye bye. Bye, everyone. Bye. See you all.